CNN's 50 of the best street foods in Asia was just released, and not surprisingly, the Vietnamese Banh Mi was on the list. The cold cut sandwich is a fusion of French and Vietnamese ingredients, which makes it quite unique. These days, there are many variations of the banh mi based on the bread, types of meats, sauces. This is the standard banh mi sandwich that most are familiar with and can be easily found everywhere around town. There is literally a banh mi stall on every block. The usual ingredients are pate, mayo, pork bologna, roasted pork, and veggies like cucumber, cilantro, green onions, pickled carrots, and daikon. Wow, look at this. Isn't it a beauty? Look at that. And just smell this banh mi. It's so fragrant with the cilantro. When you see a cart with a large piece of roasted pork on display, this is where you'll find your roasted pork belly sandwich, or in Vietnamese, bánh mì thịt heo quay. There's only one type of meat for this sandwich, but there are different parts, like the meat itself, the fat, and the crunchy skin that add texture and flavor. White onions, green onions, and pickled carrots are the common toppings for this banh mi. Every stall has their signature homemade brown sauce, which not only enhances the flavor but adds moistness to the sandwich. Despite living here as long as I have, I've just recently discovered the banh mi siu mai, or as I call it, the Meatball Sub, since it reminds me of the American Italian meatball sandwich back home. Again, every place makes their banh mi differently. This particular deli not only has pork meatballs, but they also add sliced pork meat and shredded pork skin. Then they add their special sweet and spicy sauce, oiled green onions, and of course, the usual veggies. This is a mega banh mi. Of all the banh mi's, I find this one quite unique in terms of flavors and texture. This is a northern-style banh mi called banh mi chả lụa. It's stripped of all the complexities of the southern-style banh mi. It's just a mix of different types of pork bologna. Some places just add salt and pepper for seasoning, and that's it. For this place, they included pate and some slices of cucumber and pickled carrots and daikon, which is still a lot more basic than the southern version. Bon appetit! Very simple, but so good. Hits the spot every time. Thanks for watching, and make sure you drop a like if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe for local insights and travel recommendations. Until next time, hẹn gặp lại!